Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to make beef samosas. Here I have 3.5 pounds of minced beef. I'm cooking it just like that without any oil or anything. Now it's time to take out all the spices. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and I will cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes without any water or oil in it. Now let's start with the spices. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. You can adjust it according to your taste. 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of whole spices. Now mix it together and cook it on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool down and then add juice of 1 lemon. Just to give you an idea, it's about 2 tablespoons. After adding the lemon juice, make sure you mix it together one more time and set it aside. And now it's time to cut the veggies. By the way, if you are liking this recipe, which I'm sure you are, hit that subscribe button and like and comment on this video. First thing I am taking is cilantro. Make sure you properly wash it and then chop it extremely fine. We don't want big chunks of cilantro or mint in this mixture. Like cilantro, I'm going to chop the mint and then add it to the mixture. Now add green chilies. I'm adding Serrano peppers because they are not too spicy but add really good taste. And now it's time for onion. For this I'm going to use my chopper, and this time I'm going to show you a slower version of how I'm using this chopper. It has literally changed my life. So this part goes to the top portion of the chopper, and this is the blade because I need finely diced onion. And all you have to do is put that thin slice on the blade and slap it, slap it, slap it. And just like that, within minutes you will be able to chop all the onion. By the way, if you want to see a detailed video of this chopper, please let me know in comments and I'll do one for you with all different kind of vegetables. Now add this onion into the mixture and one more time mix it thoroughly. Make sure everything is mixed. Now we are going to make a paste of flour and water. I have taken all-purpose flour. You can take wheat flour as well. We will be using that flour to seal the samosas. These are the sheets that I use. So first thing is to cut these sheets into 3 equal parts because these sheets are square, and for samosas we need a longer rectangular strip. I'm pretty good at measurements, so I just eyeball it, but if you cannot eyeball it, you can actually use a measuring tape and cut equal 3 strips. After cutting that into 3 strips, make sure you separate one batch of the strip and put another 2 into a Ziploc bag so that it doesn't get dry. And now the difficult part of folding. So the first step is the traditional way of folding a samosa. Look carefully what I'm doing here. It's super easy, trust me, it's not that difficult. Once you will fold it like this a couple of times, you will get a hang of it. So give it a try, don't give up. I always wrap it in 2 sheets for that extra crunch, which you will see at the end of this video. So trust me on this and wrap it twice. And here we will use that flour and water paste to seal it so that it doesn't open when we will fry it. Just like that. Super easy to do. You can watch it, rewatch it, and see a perfect triangle. Put it in a Ziploc bag once again so that it doesn't get dry. And now I'm going to show you one more method which is even more easier. So what you have to do is you have to turn the strip lengthwise, make a crease on it, then open it, take one corner and take it to the center of the crease. Make sure it's like a different shape of triangle. Press it along the crease and then cut that crease part. Now take this template, put it on the other stack of strips and cut that triangular part. And now take the strip, pull one corner, put it on the other side, put the mixture, roll it one more time and see a perfect triangular cone. Now put the mixture into the cone shape, and here's the key. You have to put enough mixture in it so that there is no air bubbles or space for oil to get in, otherwise it will get soggy. Now turn it one more time and see a perfect triangle. Now seal it with the help of the flour and water mixture. Now once again, I'm going to use another strip to do the double wrap method, and trust me on this. I'm telling you guys, once you will try this double wrap method, you will never use a single strip because it adds that extra crunch to it. And now here, the perfect triangular beef samosa is ready to be fried. Sealing it one more time to make sure there are no openings. And now it's time to fry it. I like to deep fry it. You can also air fry it. Here I'm checking the temperature of the oil to make sure it's hot enough. Once the oil is ready, start putting the samosas in. Make sure samosas are bubbling like this. If it's not doing this, then your samosas will get soggy and won't taste good at all. And once all the samosas are in, make sure you are moving them slowly, and once it's done, take out all the oil and then serve. So guys, here's the samosa. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. And now hear this. Yummy! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Come back for the next video. Bye bye.